Fiber patch panel, OTB, commonly defined as the interface between multiple optical fibers and optical equipment. Fiber patch panel available capacity from 12 to 188 cores or ports, with SC, SAINT, LC adapters. Commonly used in the CAT, telecommunication equipment room and network equipment room. Don't hesitate to contact us if you have a FTTx network building project. Bwinners is original manufacturer and supplier of fiber optic and FTTx solutions products. Bwinners has over 15 years in FTTx products line. Bwinners provides a reliable warranty timely after-sales service for you. Bwinners can always satisfy your different needs in your telecom and related project. If you are looking for a professional fiber optic and FTTx solutions supplier, then Bwinners will be your best choice. Would you like to know more? Contact us.